Hi guys, in showing this video how to do parking lot, asphalt parking lot. You can see here concrete curb for island and asphalt binder, concrete curb for island here at the entrance, asphalt binder. Okay guys, and here you can see at the corner of the parking lot there's a low spot. Here there's a riprap or erosion. You can see riprap here going this way. Okay, this building will be auto wash car. Yeah, building to wash car. You can see block work, steel structure, slab, walls, roofing, TPO. And here you can see rebar joist for flooring and corrugated metal sheets, finish block work, flashing, that's finish work. You can see finish work, insulation behind it, 2 inches insulation, and the flashing here you can see. Here they pour concrete for slab. I uploaded video before they pour the concrete. Here you can see start to paint the block and start to do framing at the top of the wall, metal stud framing, block work, paint work. Here you can see mortar net, that's finish work. Block, you can see mortar, black here, paint for block, expansion joint, install metal stud, metal door frame. Okay guys, here you can see cover the trench drain here. When they pour concrete, they cover it with a piece of wood. Keep it clean. Here you have electrical room, block work, dense glass and paint work. You can see joints, diamond here, conduit running through. Yeah, that's for car wash. You can see paint block. Nice and good finish concrete work. Yeah, they put this one first and this one second. You can see different color for concrete. Okay guys, this video about block work, concrete slab work, dense glass, electrical, plumbing work. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. I will upload more videos. Thank you guys, bye.